खूबसूरती क्या ही होती है, अंदरूनी ही होती है और वो सिर्फ शांति से मिल सकती है. And gratitude on the smallest things in life. It can get very easy. The first time that I went to Kedarnath, I was not an actor. So
Lots
थोड़ा
to look
काम मिल
forward
जाए. So some movies, please, quickly.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited to welcome on stage Sara Ali Khan, the incredibly gorgeous and the supremely talented actress and our newest host. Sara, please come up on stage.
Namaste, everybody. Thank you so much for having me. I think that I'm just extremely grateful. I think that apart from my work, which I'm thoroughly grateful for and enjoy and appreciate every day of my life, I think that traveling, exploring, discovering, and wellness is all extremely, extremely close to my heart. And I think this idea of traveling, but also mindfulness and wellness just totally resonates with me. And I'm so, so glad to be able to do this for you guys and with you guys. So thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Sara. I'm going to just ask one question on behalf of everybody here. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या आपकी wellness और yoga और fitness है? Please tell us a little bit about that.
Honestly, firstly, thank you very much. And secondly, I really think that खूबसूरती क्या ही होती है, अंदरूनी ही होती है और वो सिर्फ शांति से मिल सकती है. और शांति कैसे मिलती है? मतलब उसका जवाब किसी के पास honestly I don't think है. But I think that part of that journey of discovery is definitely just union of body, mind and soul. और वो कैसे होता है? सबके लिए I think the answer is different. I think meditation दिमाग को थोड़ा बहुत शांत करता है. Loved ones के साथ time spend करना, कुछ सीखना, reading, कुछ पढ़ना, बस अपने आप को active रखना, yoga, workout, trekking if you're lucky, you know. I think that अपनी निजी ज़िंदगी और अपने प्रोफेशनल करियर में एक तरह का संतुलन लाना और बनाए रखना. I think balance is key, you know, whether it's shooting 24 hours, shooting round the clock, and then taking your time and saying, okay, Kedarnath is open because we're during season, which unfortunately now we're not, and then taking your time and going there. चलो अभी अच्छे से शूट करेंगे और फिर गोवा के लास्ट मतलब दिसंबर के लास्ट वीक में गोवा चले जाएंगे. You know, that little bit of balance, I think it keeps you alive, keeps you rejuvenated, keeps you replenished and keeps you looking forward to, you know, काम के वक्त फिर छुट्टी आप सोचते हो कि अरे मज़ा आएगा. Then once you're done with your holiday, you're like, I can't wait to go back to work and kill it. So basically balance is key.
आपसे ये समझना चाहेंगे कि लास्ट टाइम जानवी ने चेन्नई में जब अपना घर लोगों को वेलकम किया था, पेट्रन्स के लिए ओपन किया था, क्या ये आपका खुद का बंगलो है? आपका किस तरह का एसोसिएशन है एयरबीएनबी के साथ?
नहीं, ये मेरा बंगलो नहीं है. भगवान करे मैं काम करती रहूं और फिर बहुत सारे बंगलोज हो जाए और वो सब एयरबीएनबी पे लगा दूं, बस आप लोगों की दुआएं हैं. बट ये एक वेलनेस रिट्रीट है जो मैं होस्ट कर रही हूँ गोवा में और बस उम्मीद है कि लोग आएँ और अपने बारे में, अपने खुद के बारे में आकर कुछ सीखें इस जगह पर.
Wellness retreat in the Himalayas as well?
I would
If yes, where?
I would love that. In fact, this is something we should really chat about because I would love that. और मुझे लगता है वहाँ पे जो एनर्जी होती है, जो वाइब्रेशंस होते हैं, जो नज़ारे होते हैं, बस इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. वहाँ पे जाके साधना करना अलग ही होगा. तो मैं तो खुद अपने आप करती ही हूँ. उम्मीद है आप लोगों के साथ पता नहीं एक दिन.
Since you love wellness, you're hosting a retreat yourself, what is one of the practices, no matter where you are in the world, no matter which Airbnb you are in the world, what is that one wellness practice that you will never miss out on doing?
I think meditation and gratitude are things that you should try not to miss out on doing. And gratitude on the smallest things in life. It can get very easy to want more, to demand more, to complain. Just like I'm grateful for this, like touch wood, like I'm rushing, like I have somewhere to be right now. But right now I'm grateful that whether it's cameras that's my job, or whether it's lovely faces, that's the reason of my job. Like I'm getting that right now. And while I have to rush, I'm grateful for this moment right now. It's important to practice that.
Love that.
Your first film, Kedarnath, where you shot in Kedarnath, and we keep seeing you going back to Kedarnath and enjoying the place. Do you share a special connect with that place?
I share the most special connect with that place. I think that the first time that I went to Kedarnath, I was not an actor. The first time I went to Kedarnath, I don't even know if I was me. And everything I am has come from that place. Everything I am. So just so much gratitude. और बस बुलावा आता रहे और मैं जाती रहूँ और फिर वापस आती रहूँ और काम करती रहूँ और बस ये चलता रहे. That's it.
What's your next destination on Airbnb?
You tell me. I'm thinking between Kerala and Bali.
Both.
Both, but one
Our
has to happen
region.
first.
Our region. So both, most definitely.
Done.
That's fantastic. So we have another wellness retreat in the hills, hopefully, fingers crossed. We have 2 trips, Bali and Kerala. So
बस अब
lots
थोड़ा
to look
काम मिल
forward to.
जाए. So some movies, please, quickly, because otherwise, how are we doing all this?
And there are a lot of movies too in the pipeline, by the way, which we can't talk about. So, see.
I totally agree. Pradushan and pollution are bad.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.